What's going on, people's quick video, show you guys how to remove your center wheel caps. You can use the plastic pry tools or a flathead or some really tight duct tape or grip tape or whatever, or a small suction cup. You can pull it right off of there. Only problem is with the flathead is that if you have black, you can scratch the black paint off of here. So if you have silver, it'll be okay or whatever. Or if you don't mind, it'll be just a small little scratch, really. But you can also wedge it in there and then take a plastic tool and pop it out like that. Now, I can't do it with one hand, but yeah, you get what I'm saying. Because if you have the flathead, obviously you're gonna have to wiggle it out. So that metal on metal, or really, the other thing you could do is wrap the flathead. So that's what I'm gonna do before I scratch it up some more. Wrap the flathead in something really thin so it won't be metal on metal. You won't scratch the black, then you just pop it right out. So we got the plastic from the flathead, the plastic from the center cap that I'm going to be replacing it with. As you can see, the center cap is coming out. It's already out, and I can just use my finger to pull it out. Now, you're going to be replacing it with this badge. This is not an E badge, okay? This is the Stinger logo. And if you didn't know, the top and the bottom means the four wheels, the wheels of the car, and the middle portion is the way that the engine is mounted, which is it's a neat idea if you ask me. I know it doesn't make sense, but you just press it in there like so. There you go. You're good to go without taking your wheel off. Top, bottom, these are the wheels. This is the way the engine and tranny is mounted. It's a nice little logo to me. Don't get me wrong, the new Kia badge is pretty cool, but I like this one better. Thank you guys for watching. Remember, wrap this in something. If you don't have a plastic pry tool, they usually come with these bumper retainer clips. If you get a set of these, a package of these, the retainer clips and the pry tool will come in there, right? Or you can order it on Amazon or get you something from, AutoZone. Get you a suction cup, whatever you can use, you can get it out of there. It's real simple. Thank you guys for watching.